What's up YouTube, it's your girl Jazz in a bit, and I'm back with another lit video. Today I have something a little different here for y'all. We will be installing tape-in hair 20 inches from ULAHAIR. I will put them in the link in my description box below, and you guys will be able to shop for this exact look and get these exact tape-ins that I installed. Right now I'm just showing you guys how bouncy and shiny and flowy this tape-in hair is. Like, it looks bomb, and it came with the bag, it came with instructions, it also came with a heat resistant comb and a wig cap and some reusable tape. Like, the white thing is the tape that you can reattach to your tape-in hair so that you could just reinstall your tape-in hair. So yes, this tape-in hair is reusable, which is the best part. They also sent me mesh pads, which will be good for when I'm flat ironing, and they sent me eyelashes to go with the whole look. And now we're about to get into the wash bowl and wash my hair. So I went to my stylist. Her name is Maggie Styles on Instagram. She does really good. She has about 50k followers on Instagram. So if you don't know about Maggie and the A, you need to find out about her. So after she blow dried my hair, she went ahead and flat ironed it, tried to get it bone straight. I have a lot of hair, and this is my first time getting it pressed out for a minute. I haven't gotten my hair pressed out for a really long time because I just pretty much wear wigs consistently. But you see, your girl had to record her a video because my natural hair was really long, well, longer than I expected. But yeah, so we're just flat ironing my hair, trying to get it really straight. She's doing the whole head. I'm just showing you guys both sides. After she finishes getting my hair bone straight, the full head, she's going to take a hot comb, touch up my roots, and then we're going to go to installing the tape-in hair. So just watch as she does this, and y'all are going to get the full tutorial on how to install these tape-ins from ULAHAIR 20 inches body wave. So let's get to it. So this is my natural hair, all pressed out. She touched up the roots with the hot comb, and she just let me basically get a little video before she went ahead and installed the tape-ins. And after this, she's gonna cut my ends, well, cut my hair. I asked her to cut it a little bit shorter than just cutting my ends. I wanted it mid-back and for it to blend better with the tape-in hair. So now she's installing my tape-ins. This was the best part because it gripped the root of my hair, and it just felt like, okay, this thing is on for real. Like, I used to be skeptical about using tape-ins, but y'all should definitely try it. It's really tight on your hair, and it doesn't go anywhere. This style of tape-ins hair was very versatile. As you can see, I'm showing y'all the half up, half down, to the side, straight down the middle. I did almost everything, every style you could think of with this tape-in hair. It was definitely a 10 out of 10. This is it to the side, bone straight. And I also asked for her to curl it, but I wanted to show y'all what it looked like straight. The hair was soft, silky. It looks absolutely natural. But yeah, so lastly, she's just gonna curl me up and brush out my curls, and then I'm gonna be good to go. But I will say this style could last you up to 6 weeks. Do not get this style if you just want to keep it in for 2 weeks, because you're not going to get the full effect. To me, I feel like it's a style that you could keep in for a really long time. Just make sure you take care of it, get it maintenance, and just touched up. So make sure you guys go check out the link in the description box below and check out ULAHAIR. Make sure you shop from them.
If love's a drug, yeah, you got the right one. Couldn't see this coming, but I'm in it for the long run. Fell in love with this nigga, I swear to God, he got me sprung. Got me calling up these bitches, telling them that he the one. They think we ain't gon' last, babe. Let's prove them wrong. We gotta show them that it's worth it when they feel this song. Wanna make you mad on purpose just to see if you gon' leave. I know it's fucked up, but you gon' have to get used to me. I'm tired of fussing and fighting, baby, just come let me ride it.